morning. So I'm on my way to Raya and I'm about to have my checkup with them. And let's see. Hello. Walang phobia. Enjoy. Always enjoy at Raya.
Yeah.
So they're getting my BP with Ate Ganda.
Hindi naman. Okay lang.
So ano na-expect ko today? What should I expect? Uy,
Sorry.
Malapit na po ba?
So what should I expect?
Ano?
Matagal ba yung breast exam?
Di ko lang. Depende kay nurse po.
Ay, okay.
Sige po.
Ano kasi? Hindi siya nag,
Tighter. Ay, gala na, lampas na.
Ang sexy kasi. Mahirap siya kasi sobrang lang siya.
Nurse, are you the nurse for today? So I'm about to start my exam, my checkup here in Raya. So I just finished with Nurse Ganda. So anong results?
Normal.
Yay! So I just had my breast exam from Raya. It's on promo, it's only 500 pesos. It's pretty quick kasi wala naman siya nakita. But for some patient daw meron. Dito tayo. Hello! Perfect for today's cuddle weather. A hot soup. And what's that? Favorite ko yan. Antioxidant thing. Yes. Thank you. No, it's Guys, so I'm here right now at Mateos in Horseshoe Village and I'm planning to have our next EO workshop here. It's gonna be on November 30, so I hope you guys can enjoy. We can accommodate like 30 people, so start inviting your friends and I hope to see you here.